Hare Krishna. Srila Jiva Goswami. Today is very auspicious day of the appearance day of Srila Jiva Goswami. So, how and where he spent his childhood and starting life, we will listen something about Srila Jiva Goswami here. Srila Jiva Goswami appeared in the village of Ramkeli in the district of Maldaha as the maid of Anupam Malik, as the son of Anupam Malik Vallabh, who is the youngest brother of Sri Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami. The name of Jiva Goswami's mother is not known. Narhari Chakravarti is writing in his Bhakti Ratnakar, has given Jiva Goswami's genealogy going back 7 generations. This list has explained why Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Sri Prabhupada has been given here in this volume in the chapter on Srila Rupa Goswami. Jiva Goswami's father original name was Sri Vallabh, but Mahaprabhu gave him the name Anupam, who is the youngest brother of Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami. When Sriman Mahaprabhu met Anupam for the first time, when he came to Ramkeli by his will, Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami abandoned all of other worldly duties and then set off in an effort to be reunited with Mahaprabhu in Vrindavan. The same spirit of renunciation took hold in Jiva Goswami's heart at this time also, as has been vividly described by Narhari in Bhakti Ratnakar. Srila Jiva Goswami, when Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami left Ramkeli and they went to the Vrindavan, Jiva Goswami listened about this. So from childhood, once upon a time, Srila Jiva Goswami went to the Navadip Dham by the causeless mercy of Nityanand Prabhu. When Jiva Goswami arrived to Navadip Dham, Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu already left that time and he met to Sachi Mata. When Nityanand Prabhu felt this, oh, Jiva came here, so that time Nityanand Prabhu was living in Khardha Gram, village in Khardha. So Nityanand Prabhu came to give the mercy to Sri Jiva Goswami. And Jiva Goswami met to Nityanand Prabhu. He offered Dandavata Pranam to Nityanand Prabhu. And this kind Nityanand Prabhu took to Jiva and he did the parikrama of all Navadip Dham. That time Nityanand Prabhu was staying in the house of Sri Srivas Pandit, and Jiva Goswami and Nityanand Prabhu and Srivas Pandit went in the house of Sri Sachi Mata. Then Sachi Mata and Vishnu Priya was that time. Then Sachi Mata cooked by her hand and they offered the bhog to Thakurji and they gave to Prasad Sri Nityanand Prabhu and Jiva Goswami. So this kind Jiva Goswami got so much mercy of Nityanand Prabhu, and slowly when Navadip Parikrama of Jiva Goswami finished, this was the first Parikrama who organized by Sri Nityanand Prabhu for especially Jiva Goswami. After this, for more information, we can read the Sri Navadip Dham Parikrama book in English. And then finish everything. Then Nityanand Prabhu said to Jiva Goswami, O Jiva, do you know Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave the place to your families, Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami in Vrindavan. So you also should go to Vrindavan from here now. This kind Nityanand Prabhu gave order to Jiva Goswami, and Jiva Goswami also left Navadip Dham, and by the way he came to Vrindavan. On the way, first he arrived at the place Banaras. In Banaras, he took the educations of the all scriptures of the Sanskrit language. There was the guru of Sri Jiva Goswami was Madhusudan Vachaspati. After this, Nityananda Prabhu left Navadvip Dham. He went his place, and Jiva Goswami arrived in Vrindavan. This kind we listen something the childhood of Sri Jiva Goswami. Hare Krishna.